Emerging technologies transform the way we live, work, and do business. Artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, big data, robotics, they make it easier to connect with others and improve our quality of life. At work, they help automate tasks, perform complex procedures, and access all relevant information from any place in the world. They boost innovation and performance, taking businesses to a whole new level. Despite their obvious benefits, emerging technologies can seem challenging to understand and raise concerns. Is it too late to get started? Do I need a tech degree to keep up? Are they really that important for my career? Can they pose any threats? Digital SkillUp is here to help. Developed as a contribution to the Digital Skills and Jobs platform and funded by the EU, Digital SkillUp is your online guide to emerging technologies. Whether you're a total beginner or a professional looking to gain new skills, with its innovative online courses, you can learn about the digital revolution, emerging technologies, and cybersecurity. Hundreds of online training opportunities in the Digital SkillUp catalog will help you future-proof your life, work, and business. Kickstart your learning journey. Visit www.digitalskillup.eu.